Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Now moving to next top 5 MCQs for today. Having some static and dynamic topics for several exams. Let's start beginning with the first question of the first slide. First question is asking who heads the GST Council? Option A Finance Minister, option B Commerce Minister, option C Prime Minister, and option D Law Minister. And the correct option is option A Finance Minister, who heads or chairs the GST Council. Now moving to second question. Match the correct option, which is asking for the right currency for right country. Option A China, the renminbi. Option B Thailand, the Thai baht. Option C Mexico, the Mexican peso. And the correct option is option D. All are correctly matched. Now moving to third question. Third question is asking for the consider the following statement which reflect the correct options regarding the National Green Tribunal NGT. First statement is chairman of the NGT is appointed by Chief Justice of India. Is incorrect option because Chief Justice of India doesn't appoint chairman of NGT. Instead, President of India. So, chairman of NGT is appointed by President of India. Statement second, it is not bound to follow the code of civil procedure. Option second is correct. So, the option B is correct. Option only second is correct. And question is asking for the correct options. Option B is correct. It is not bound to follow the code of civil procedure. Now moving to fourth question, mark the incorrect option. Here question is asking for incorrect option. First, Kittur Chennamma was Indian Queen of Kittur, a princely state in Kerala. It is incorrect because princely state in Kerala not it is incorrect because it was in Karnataka. Statement first is incorrect. Second, she protested against the oppressive rule of British East India Company in 1820s. It is right because doctrine of lapse was imposed on her kingdom, so she protested against this oppressive nature of British in East India Company, and she was hanged in 1829 for this protest. So the correct option is option B because here is asking for incorrect option. So option B only one is incorrect. Now moving to last question, which country doesn't share border with India? Here is asking for not share border with India. Option A Pakistan, option B Nepal, option C Thailand, option D Bhutan. And the correct option is option C Thailand doesn't share border with India. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of Last Mile Approach. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.